Hello guys, hello people, my people. Now good morning, good afternoon. Depends where this video they meet to now. Today's video, this is my Asia sister. She says she want cook pepper soup for us with all these assorted for chicken. So she does the wash am. She does the wash all the assorted everything. She does the wash am. May we watch this video together. All this one are the egg of chicken, assorted of chicken, everything. Come put butter, put soy sauce, dark soy sauce, put everything, put all the sauces, some sausages, put you can pour all the egg, all the chicken wetin call the assorted of chicken. Come put am. See, and he and the pikin don dey cut carrot and potato wey we wan put for inside the pepper soup. You see the pepper soup, we don dey done. See the egg, everything. So we don dey cut pepper now wey we wan put all this red bell pepper. We wan pour and put. Una watch this video. Una not forget, una share this video, una like, una give us love and like. Una share this video. Don dey turn am, don dey fry the potato. Like this potato and the carrot now we want to eat this sauce. So this is our pepper soup. See, if you want learn how to cook a chicken pepper soup with chicken assorted, may you come watch this video till the end. Watch am till the end. Not skip this video. See pepper. You don put pepper now. Don dey turn am. Don dey turn am. Come put tomatoes. Come turn am together. See am. Come pour the assorted chicken. You come pour am inside. Come turn am together. Guys, don't forget to follow on my page, Peculiar Erosa 1, Peculiar Erosa 2, Peculiar Erosa 3, and Peculiar Erosa Family TV on YouTube. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. For all my returning subscriber that is still following me, since how many years, may God bless you all. See, our pepper soup don almost dey ready. Don't ready. Share this video, guys. Share this video. See